Let me ask you a question. How many job applications have you sent this year? 10, 50, maybe even 100. Now, be honest with me. How many interview calls did you actually get? If your answer is not enough, you're not alone. The AI, data, and cloud job market is booming, with companies offering six-figure salaries. But if your inbox is empty, it's not about your skills. It's about the right strategy. Now, let me guess. You have been applying to AI and cloud data jobs, but your resume keeps getting ignored. You spend hours perfecting your resume only to hear nothing back. You see people with less experience than you getting hired for 200k or 250k jobs. You are struggling during interviews and not knowing what interviews are really looking for. If any of these sounds like you, then that's exactly why we are doing this live 3-day bootcamp on AI, cloud, and data. Here we will address how to get a 250k plus AI, cloud, or data job in less than 6 months, even if you're a beginner. Yes, you heard that right. No coding required, no endless courses, just a straight up proven roadmap that actually works. Look, this isn't your average watch and forget kind of a webinar. No. This bootcamp is being led by someone who's actually walked the path. Someone who has been in the IT industry for over 23 years, mastering cloud, DevOps, Kubernetes, and working with major platforms like Azure, AWS, and Oracle. Meet Atul, your mentor for this bootcamp. He has helped thousands of IT professionals to break into AI, cloud, data, and land high-paying jobs. And now, he's going to walk you through the exact roadmap that can get you there too. So this is a hands-on, action-packed bootcamp with one goal in mind, to get you hired. And the best part, it's only $10. That's less than the cost of your morning coffee. So here's what you will learn. On the day one, why you're not getting interview calls and how to fix it. We are going to fix your job search game so that companies start chasing you, not the other way around. On day two, how to crack AI, cloud, or data interviews like a pro. Interviews don't have to be scary. We will give you the exact answers and frameworks that top recruiters want to hear. On the day third, the 6-month roadmap to 250k plus AI, cloud, or data job. This is not about learning for the sake of it. It's about getting hired, and we will give you the exact steps to make that happen. So this bootcamp is for anyone who's serious about leveling up their career. First is IT professionals who keep applying but aren't getting interviews. Second one is anyone who's failing technical rounds and unsure how to improve. Third one is those stuck in their careers looking for a roadmap to AI, cloud, or data. And fourth one is beginners who want to enter the AI, cloud, or data field without the coding experience. Now here's the deal. Usually our workshops cost thousands of dollars, but this entire 3-day event just $10. And if you don't find it useful, we will give you a full refund. So this is 100% risk free. So mark your calendars. This event is happening live on March 27th, 28th, and 29th of 2025. The timelines are on your screen. So hurry up, spots are filling up fast. Click the button below and secure your ticket now.